Have you ever felt caught between a standard brokerage and a hands-off robo-advisor, wishing there was something in the middle? That's the promise of M1 Finance, a powerful platform built for automated, long-term investing. It's for the investor who wants to design their portfolio once and then let the system run on autopilot. We're talking about pies, dynamic rebalancing, and more. But is it all hype, or is it truly the finance super app it claims to be? Let's break down the pros and cons in this honest review. M1 Finance, the pros. M1's biggest selling point is its pie feature. This is a genius visual way to build your portfolio. You can select individual stocks and ETFs and assign each a target percentage, a slice of your total investment pie. M1's automation then handles the heavy lifting. This leads to the second major pro, dynamic rebalancing and automated investing. Every time you deposit new money, M1 automatically directs it to the underweight slices of your pie to get you back to your target allocations. This is a massive time saver and keeps you disciplined. It also supports fractional shares, meaning every dollar you deposit is immediately put to work, even if you can't afford a whole share of a pricey stock. Finally, M1 is virtually commission-free for stocks and ETFs. They also offer competitive features like a high-yield cash account and portfolio line of credit, called M1 Borrow, which allows you to borrow against your investments at a lower rate than many personal loans. The cons, what you'll miss. For all its innovation, M1 is not a perfect fit for everyone, especially if you're a more active trader. The biggest drawback is the limited trading windows. Unlike traditional brokers that let you trade all day, M1 only executes trades during one morning window and a second afternoon window if you have a higher balance. This is a non-starter if you like to actively trade throughout the day or react quickly to market news. M1 is intentionally geared toward long-term investing, not day trading. You'll also find that M1 has limited investment options compared to a Schwab or Fidelity. They support stocks, ETFs, and some crypto, but you won't find mutual funds, options trading, or extensive research tools. Finally, while the core platform is commission-free, they've introduced a monthly platform fee for accounts under $10,000, which can eat into small portfolios. They also charge a $100 fee for outgoing account transfers, which is something to keep in mind if you plan to move your money elsewhere down the line. The verdict. So, is M1 Finance right for you? If you are a beginner or a long-term, hands-off investor who wants to set up a smart, diversified portfolio and let automation handle the rest, M1 Finance is arguably one of the best platforms out there. The pie system and dynamic rebalancing are truly industry-leading. However, if you're an active trader, need access to options or mutual funds, or want sophisticated research and charting tools, you'll likely be happier with a traditional brokerage. M1 Finance carved out a niche as the perfect blend of robo-advisor and self-directed broker. Just make sure its automated approach fits your active needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.